What I'm going to do is I'm going to take off some of the reverb off that snare and deal with the level of that in a minute. So let's get recording. So just 2 hits on the lower toned conga and then 1 on the higher tone. Let's have a look and see what that looks like in the programming. I've got to record it in. The 1, 2, 3, the third one in. That's the position that you're going to be using. And on the other side here, you can see it's the third one in. This position here, third one in. So that's what's going on. Okay, so you know, it's a nice vibe. There's no doubt about it. You know, it's a very popular one. So if you have a listen again. Becomes a lot more kind of tribal, doesn't it? You know, so it's nice to have that contrast. All right, that's the whole scope with this. Let's switch the category. Let's go to snare. Got a list of snares here. Let's have a listen. Okay, that'll do. I'll stick this on one of these. I'm not going to have it as my main snare. To be honest with you, it doesn't matter the order here, really, how you do this. I'm going to name these as I go here too. Let's get in there and play around with the morph. To make it sound more energetic, we need to apply a pitch envelope. And so on the left hand side, you can see here we've got a modulation section, and this is designed to affect the pitch of this oscillator. If I drop this down, I'm going to pick envelope 2, and you can see down here now that envelope 2 is selected. It's not going to do anything until I pick up this little slider here. Can you see now? We have a journey over time. Come down here to sign on all of these. Just going to take away the click at the front of that, slowing the attack. There it is. Right. I want you to understand that there's a little bit more than what we've got here. Let me open the filter. If you put your mouse onto sine and then roll up, we get digi waves. Now digi waves are kind of short samples basically, so you've got more scope here. And program the chord memorizer. Let's bring it up. So let's go on to C3 here, and down below I'm going to create these additional notes. Let's have a listen. So you can see now when I push any C key, this is replicated down an octave below, you see. Let's go to D now, and let's put some notes in for that. Let's come down here. Let's see how these sound. Let's play the D key. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to record that in. Let's take this lower. See about maybe bringing this up. Let's have a listen to that. Going to go right 20, and we're going to go right 40. Let's have a listen to that now.
Deep house music.
Got a nice stereo
Deep
picture now.
House music.
They're taking on a different dimension now. Let me mute that. So obviously things have got louder, but there's a character also that's existing that's much more interesting now. They've got fatter. It's almost like it's hard to put your finger on it, but they just sound better. So we've got transposition here, same chords but taken lower. Let's bring that up a touch. We're going to have to do something for when the beats come back as well. One of the things we could do would be to use another one and basically bring it up. So we have on the filter envelope, we have a slow attack. Reach up, reach high. Yeah, so what I'll do is I'll do track new with duplicate setting. So this is another ES2. On this one, what I'll do is I'll do a slow attack. Let's have a listen to this.